Is that a fitting name for her? Olako. Let me know in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Also, did I get the translation right? Let me know as well too. Like this video, leave a comment below about what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell notification so that you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. Don't forget to hit my Instagram DM in the description below if you would like your own Igbo name. So let me know what you think about this series. I'll gift you an Igbo name if you don't have one, so don't worry about that. And if you already have an Igbo name, I'll feature it on the Igbo name of the day. Thanks. Take care. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I will see you